There are so many uses for sourdough discard. You feed it, and people just toss it so often. But today, I'm going to make sourdough discard crackers. Line a sheet with some parchment paper, about 3/4 of a cup of sourdough starter. I may have a tad bit more in there. We're gonna roll with it. A couple tablespoons of melted butter, which you could use like Italian herbs or whatever. I'm gonna use some Everything Bagel, just a couple of tablespoons. Not a big measure, y'all. Lane likes this Smoulder. It's got a little red pepper in it, so I thought a little kick might be nice. I'm not gonna go crazy with it because I have to eat these too. And that's it. You're gonna stir it up. Looks yummy, right? Looks yummy. You're gonna stir it up and you're gonna spread it thin on this parchment paper. Okay. Okay, looks crackery. Looks pretty thin. Here you go. Thin. Let's score the crackers. You can absolutely skip this step and just break the crackers all willy-nilly. I just thought I would try to make mine have a score to them so they would break kind of evenly. They have to be better for you than store-bought processed foods, right? Just score them so that they'll break like I want them to break when I take them out. Looks pretty good. I'm putting them back in the oven for another, I don't know, 20 to 40 minutes. You just need to kind of watch it. Some ovens cook faster than others, right? But that's scored and ready to go back in.